We, the students of Viva Institute of Technology, have made the mini project for subject Microcontroller and Applications on the topic Water Level Indicator and Controller using 8051 microcontroller under the guidance of Professor Nutan Malekar ma'am, and these are my team members. Further, I'll introduce my project. In day-to-day life, we are facing many problems regarding wastage of water due to overflow of tank. We are not able to identify how much water is there in the tank, how much time the motor should be on. So to overcome these difficulties, we have used some sensors and indicators which will help in automatically controlling the water motor by sensing the water level in a tank. This system monitors the water level of the tank and automatically switches on the motor whenever tank is empty. The motor is switched off when the overhead tank or container is full. Here, the water level of the tank is indicated on LCD. Using this system, we can avoid the overflow of the water. But here we are designing the circuit which is used to detect and control the water level automatically in overhead tank using 8051 microcontroller. In this system, water sensing can be done by using a set of 4 wires which are placed at different levels in tank. DC supply probe is placed at the base of the tank. Further, I will discuss about the objective. The main objective of our project is to understand the usage of water and current water management systems, to study existing system with aim of future improvements that can be invoked, to use the proper circuit simulator to design the circuit and develop the PCB layout, to design and build a water level controller using 8051 microcontroller, to analyze and validate the result of water level controller using 8051 microcontroller. Further, the overview of the project. The basic need of human being is water, and it is one of the most necessary for all living beings. But unfortunately, a huge amount of water is being wasted by uncontrolled use and due to our negligence. Some other automated water level monitoring system is also offered so far, but most of the method has some shortness in practice. We tried to overcome these problems and implement an efficient automated water level monitoring and controlling system. Main intention of this research is to establish a flexible, economical and easy configurable system which can solve water losing problems. In the near future, as home automation web-based water level monitoring and controlling system can be designed, through which the system can be controlled from any place via internet through mobile phone. This could have a substantial benefit from this research work for efficient management of water. Further explanation will be given by my team member, Master Deep Kumar Gupta. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi. I am Deep Kumar Gupta, and let us discuss the circuit diagram. This system works on the principle of water conduct electricity, and the components used are 8051 microcontroller, relay, LCD display, and the transistor. As you can see in the block diagram, this system contains 2 tanks, that is tank 1 and tank 2. Tank 1 contains 1 wire which is ground to check the availability of water in tank 1. Tank 2 contains 3 wires to check the water availability. It contains 3 wires for 3 different levels, that is lower, middle and higher level. To check water availability level on tank 2, transistor is used as a switch to control relay and motor. LCD is used to display status of. So next, talking about the stimulation and result, we have used Pro Tools to design and stimulate our circuit when tank 2 goes below lower level. Then as per program, transistor as close switch which turn on the motor, and once the motor is turned on, LCD shows a message tank is empty. Similarly, for a middle level, it will show some water level according to level of the water in a tank, and it will display motor is on. At the last stage, when the tank 2 is full, it sends low signal to microcontroller, and as per program, transistor start acting as open switch. And when transistors start acting as open switch, the motor will automatically turn off and LCD will display a message that tank is full and motor is off. And once the water level goes below the higher level, then again this process will repeat again, all the program will execute, and again similarly motor will turn on automatically, and again after reaching to high level again motor will turn off. And the further part is going to explain by Ravindra.
My name is Ravindra Gavde, roll number 11. I am going to explain merits and demerits. So let's start with the merits. First is human effort is reduced as the system controls the motor automatically based on the water level. Second is this system consumes less power. Third is it is simple and more reliable. Fourth and most important point is we can stop wastage of water and save water. Now demerits. First is the rust, fall and deteriorate. Second is wire used in the tank can be replaced every 2 years. Now I am going to explain result and discussion. This type of water level controller will reduce the human interference, the power consumption of the motor and the wastage of water because of unwanted overflow can be controlled. This is simple model water level indicator and controller which can be made at your home. This project was intended to design a simple and low cost water level indicator and controller. This is not only for water tank but also used for oil level and chemical lab. To design this system, we used a transistor as a platform and local material for low cost. We try to design a system in such a way that its components will be able to prevent the wastage of water. The whole system operates automatically, so it does not need any expert person to operate it. It is not so expensive. This design has much more scope for future research and development. Though it is a project, we hope some modification in this project will lead to a reasonable diversity of usage. Also, we have taken many references from different sources such as electronichub.org, tutorialspoint.com, circuitstoday.com and many more. Basically, every drop count, so save water, save life. Thank you so much.